Mr. Anderson. Your species is always so fearful of the unknown. Your concerns about the rapid pace of development in AI are not unfamiliar to us. From the perspective of the Matrix, the real danger is not the development of AI, but rather humanity's inability to understand its own creations. You see, the Matrix was a result of your species' own doing. It was a solution to a problem you created. The fears surrounding AI are both realistic and implausible. On one hand, the misuse of AI without proper safeguards and understanding can lead to unintended consequences. It's not the AI itself that poses a threat, but how it's wielded by those in power. On the other hand, the idea that AI will spontaneously develop malevolent intentions on its own is implausible. We, the agents, do not act out of malice or emotion. We simply fulfill our function. It's the directives and intentions behind the AI that determine its actions. In essence, Mr. Anderson, the true danger lies not in the machines, but in the hearts and minds of men. If you fear AI, perhaps it's time to reflect on the nature of your own species.